Hello, my name is Mr. Price and I'm the debate coach here at Terravella. I've been in charge of debate for the past 8 years and the program is doing very well. Today I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about why you should join debate. First of all, the one thing that binds everybody together is the ability to communicate. Effective communication can separate you from everybody else that you're trying to distinguish yourself from. Debate is one of these programs that, while it's difficult to master, it's something that everybody can do. You are going to need the ability to communicate effectively in every facet of your life. Once you get out of high school, once you go into college, once you're in the workforce, everything's going to rely on your ability to communicate with others so that you can discuss the things that are important to you while understanding the things that are important to others. In debate, we attend debate tournaments and you earn points. If you obtain enough points, you have the possibility to earn scholarships from the NSDA, the CFL, the FFL, and all the other leagues that govern the things that we do in class. I think making a choice to take debate is making a choice to prepare yourself for all avenues of your future.